Can you please thoroughly explain to me that how may I suggest my services to find clients to introduce my services? Yeah, so I'm not sure what is your experience when it comes down to Amazon ads. What I'm seeing so far, because I'm also a service provider, and what I can share with you is it really comes down to who you are. What are your qualities? What are your negatives? And the reason why I'm saying this is because most of the time what I'm seeing is that whenever I'm talking to people, our industry is overwhelmed with, let me run your ads, I'm going to do it for $1,000. And then the other one is coming, no, let me run your ads, I'm going to do it for $800. And then the third person is coming, no, let me run your ads, I'm going to do it for $500, plus I'm going to give you a bonus. It's similar to Amazon when competitors are just coming in and there's a price war. So that's something that I'm seeing on our end in the service side, especially for the past 5 years that I've been in Amazon and for the past 3 to 4 years since we've been running the agency. So real talk, what are you really good at? That is your skill set. Either you're really good at strategy, optimization, creatives, talking to people, strategizing for them, setting goals, staying accountable, and reporting on them. So which are your current skill sets that you can sell them on? Because what I'm seeing is that all the deals, if I'm thinking back, all the deals that we closed for clients that I really love and brands that I really love working with, they bought me, they bought my brain, my system, whoever I am right now talking to you, they didn't buy the sales pitch of like, this is how we're doing it, this is how amazing we are. Everyone is going to have the same spiel. So here I'm just asking you, zoom out for clarity and ask, what am I really good at? If you're really good at optimization, but nothing, you cannot charge for a strategist point of view. If you're really good at strategy, if you're asking for an optimization pricing, people are just going to look weird at you like, are you sure that is $200 your services? You might be from a different country and we are charging US prices and you might have the advantage to do it for cheaper for you. But still, that is my go-to. That is my answer to how would you approach this, especially now in 2026. Sell people on who you are and what are your strengths and what are not your strengths, because that is the thing that they are going to fall in love with, look for, to delivering. If you are just like solopreneur, great. If you're going to ever decide to hire 1-2 people, they are going to look for the same qualities in them as well.